we're fixing the lens on the sensor of a Elkay bottle filler station. So right now we're just gonna remove the bottle filler from the wall. A couple screws on the top that hold it to the bracket. So get access to the sensor, which is right there. A couple screws, take those off. Now you're just gonna pop that off. Careful, it's just plastic. It will break if you're too rough with it. So pop that off there. Disconnect it. Finish popping it off. Put it to the side. And this is the plastic piece that broken. Someone stuck a pencil or something through it. Go in there. There's a couple of slots when you put it in there to hold it in place. Line that up. Put the sensor back in place. That too has a couple of slots that you line up. That's what holds it in place before you put screws in. Drop the screws in it. Connect it back up. Hang it back on the wall. Reverse order. A couple screws back in the top to hold it in place. Double checking it works. And secure it. And give it a little test. Boom. Please subscribe.